I'll show you the easy way to remove the front tire on a 7013 Simplicity lawn tractor. First, take and remove the hubcap. Once you got the hubcap removed, you're going to use a 5/32, and then you're going to find on your wheel, and I used a little cleaning rag here, just take the outside, wipe this off a little bit, and then you can see there's a set screw right there, 5/32. Put your wrench in there, loosen it up. You don't have to take it out. Just give it a couple of turns. See if I can set this down somewhere. Remove the collar. Set that down. And that bearing comes loose. And that bearing pops out. And you've got your front tire off. That's it.